Hey there, YouTube family. Welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer money from PayPal to PayPal without a card in 2025. Whether you're splitting bills with friends, sending money to family, or just managing your finances, this method is straightforward and secure. No credit cards required. Just your PayPal balance or linked bank account. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you're logged into your PayPal account on the official website or app. If you don't have one, sign up. It's free and takes just a minute. Once you're in, head over to the Send and Request section, usually found on the homepage or in the menu. This is where the magic happens. Step 1. Click on Send Money. You'll see a form pop up asking for the recipient's details. Enter the email address or phone number linked to the PayPal account you want to send money to. Double-check this to avoid any mistakes. Nothing worse than sending cash to the wrong person. Next, enter the amount you want to transfer. PayPal will show you your available balance, so if you have funds in your account, you can proceed without linking a card. If your balance is low, you might need to add money from your bank, but that's still card-free if you're using a direct bank transfer. Before you hit send, review the details carefully. PayPal might ask for a confirmation code sent to your email or phone for security, always a good thing in 2025's digital landscape. Once confirmed, the money should transfer almost instantly, depending on the recipient's location and any verification steps. A quick tip: keep an eye on fees. In some cases, especially for international transfers, PayPal might charge a small fee, so check that beforehand. Also, ensure both accounts are in good standing to avoid any holds. There you have it. That's how you transfer money between PayPal accounts without a card. It's simple, fast, and perfect for everyday use. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.